Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something every laundry lover needs but might be overlooking: your washing machine's health. Yep, even your washer needs a little TLC to keep performing at its best. Whether you're battling funky odors, stubborn buildup, or just want to extend the life of your machine, the right cleaner makes all the difference. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best washing machine cleaner brands that actually work, based on effectiveness, ingredients, ease of use, and customer reviews. Stay tuned to find out which one is perfect for your needs. And don't worry, I've got you covered. All the product links are listed in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. Let's get into it. 5. Tide. You will receive Tide washing machine cleaner powder packets offering a powerful 5-month supply of deep cleaning. Made by Nehemiah Manufacturing and using certain trademarks under license from the P&G company or its affiliates, this powder activates 20% faster than tablets for quicker, more efficient results. Its Oxy 8 formula delivers a supercharged clean, effectively lifting and eliminating odor-causing residues, even in hard water, thanks to specially designed surface-active ingredients. Septic safe and optimized for performance, this cleaner leaves your washer fresh with an improved, milder scent. 4. True Fresh. Experience a superior clean with our high-quality, heavy-duty washing machine cleaner tablets, expertly crafted to elevate your laundry routine. These fast-acting tablets dissolve quickly in water, breaking down into powerful scrubbing powder that penetrates deep to eliminate residue and buildup. Designed for universal compatibility, our washer cleaning tablets work seamlessly with all types of machines, whether it's a top loader, front loader, standard, or high-efficiency model, from brands like LG, GE, Whirlpool, Samsung, Maytag, Electrolux, and more. Using them is effortless. Simply drop a tablet into the washer tub and run a normal cycle, then wipe away any remaining residue. For optimal results and a fresh, clean machine, use once a month to maintain peak performance. Number 3. Keep your washing machine fresh and clean with a 4-count box of OxyClean washing machine cleaner with odor blasters. Each pre-measured, no-mess pouch works to remove odor-causing residues, helping your machine look and smell its best. Safe for both standard and HE washers, this powerful cleaner is not meant for use with laundry, but is designed specifically to deep clean your machine. Just drop a pouch into an empty washer, run a clean washer cycle or a normal hot water cycle, and wipe away any leftover residue when done. Septic tank safe and easy to use, it's recommended monthly for maintenance or weekly for 3 weeks to combat tough odors and buildup. 2. Active. Our washing machine cleaner tablets are designed to work with all types of washers: high-efficiency HE, standard top loaders, and front loaders, including popular brands like GE, LG, Samsung, Whirlpool, Maytag, and Electrolux, not for dryers. These eco-friendly, effervescent tabs are made from natural ingredients, are septic safe, and come with minimal packaging to reduce waste compared to liquid descalers or disposable wipes. With instant cleaning power, the tablets activate in water to break down into powerful scrubbing agents that tackle grime, limescale, and hard water buildup. No manual scrubbing required. Each 24-pack kit provides a full year's supply, far outlasting the typical 5 or 6 tablet competitors. Say goodbye to musty odors. These tablets effectively freshen your washer's drum, gasket, and internal components, leaving your laundry smelling clean and fresh every time. 1. Affresh. Affresh washing machine cleaner is the #1 selling solution specially formulated to tackle odor-causing residues that everyday loads often leave behind. Designed for both top and front load washers, these powerful, time-release tablets go deep into the drum and internal components, helping to break up grime and buildup that cause unpleasant smells. With regular use, Affresh ensures your machine stays fresh, clean, and running at its best, providing a long-lasting, thorough clean you can count on. And that wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best washing machine cleaner brands. Whether you're looking for deep cleaning power, eco-friendly ingredients, or budget-friendly options, there's something on this list for everyone to keep your machine running fresh and odor-free. If you saw something you liked, check out the product links in the description below. We've got all 5 brands linked, so you can easily find the one that fits your needs. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, Subscribe for more cleaning and home care tips, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay clean, everyone.